Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any link into PDF. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to any of the search engine and search for Web2 PDF Converter. And I suggest you to use this one, that is web2pdfconvert.com, because it is really easy to use. So once it's loaded, you gotta simply type that link down over here and press on this button. So it's gonna convert and it's gonna take a while, so simply wait patiently. Once it is converted, you'll be able to see a button that says download the converted file. So simply click on this button and wait for the download process to begin. Once it is downloading, you'll be able to see this in front of you. So simply wait for it to get downloaded. And once done, you can simply open the downloaded PDF and now you can see that your link has successfully been converted into PDF. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.